How are you? How are you? How are you? Let us wait for the other members to join. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, it's Ironman Forex. Ironman from Ironman Forex. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. We are here live trading with Ironman. This is your account and it's my account. This is Deriv for everyone. Let us wait. Thank you so much. Our number just moved to 4. We are many now. I think 4 is a good number. So let me tell other members to come and join again this live. Let me tell them to come and join this live trading. We want to talk about chart analysis. It's our area today. So I want to make my, I think, 2 to 3 loaves there from this $43. Let me share the WhatsApp with other members. I think most of them, they are not yet in. Let me share with them the WhatsApp channel. Yes, people are coming. Keep on coming. We are now 7 members available so far. Yes, you can also comment. There is comment box there. Yes, you can also comment. There is comment box there. Yes, you can also. There is comment section which is available there. So I'll be watching again from my laptop to see if everything is available. 8 members, 6, 2 dropped. I don't know why. Why they dropped, I don't know the reason why. 6 members available. 2 likes. You can comment on the comment in the comment section. You can add your comment there. Yeah, I see you. Welcome, guys. Welcome, Bella. Welcome, Finlay. Godwin, Bella. Godwin, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning into this session. We are 9. I think we are good to go. Let us go to 10. 10 is a very good number. 10 is a very good number. If we can hit 10, I think the better. You can send your comment Our session is on how to analyze the charts. This is our session today, how to analyze the charts. Yes, we are 10. We can start now. 10 is a good number. So others will join us as we move on. So thank you so much, guys. It's Ironman from Ironman Forex. Thank you for tuning in to this live session today, the 8th of October 2025, and it's 19:21 It's evening time. Thank you so much. We are together. We are here, guys. Let me quickly move on to this, to the gist of the story, the jiggies of the story, or the reason why we started this live session is on the issue of live trading, synthetic trading. So I think everyone is able to see the screen. I'm using cell phone because most of the traders, they use the Android phones. And someone said, yes, Nashka, Mamox, we are, yes, the Huchi family, yes, Deriv is honey, the sweetest broker ever. Can I really become profitable trading? I've been trading for years now, but I don't see any tangible results. Godwin Lengwe, Godwin, listen to him carefully, you will be profitable. Thank you so much, Nash. Yes. So let me talk about the basics of online forex trading. Online forex trading is not a rich quick scheme. We are there to try by all means to make cash. Cash is not guaranteed, or profit is not guaranteed. Losses are not guaranteed too. So what we need to do is to be able to analyze the charts and understand the analysis so that we can make a move. That is the best thing you can do. Keep on commenting. So when we are trading synthetics, the synthetics always change the level of volatility. So you don't need to stick to one synthetic index. You must keep on changing on synthetics. But what really doesn't change is the currencies. The movement of currencies mostly doesn't affected by the level of volatility like what these synthetics do. But on currencies, you can experience some news fundamentals which can give you some spikes. So as of now, let me quickly move on to the synthetic indices. For us to add the synthetic indices, we can go to the quotes. I know some of the traders who are here, they are new. So you can simply go to the quotes. If you are on the quotes here, you can simply click the plus sign that you are seeing at the top. You can click quotes at the bottom. I think those who are new, you also have your MT5. You can do the same. Just copy what I'm doing and paste the skill to your phone, your MetaTrader phone, your MetaTrader 5. So if we click this plus sign, then we can see there are so many folders. We have the basket indices, conversions, crash boom indices, and for your own information, boom 150 was added yesterday. And let me see if it is there. The crash boom, yes, the boom 150 index 0 is now there. Let me add it to the basket, and I can go back. I can add another one. We have the crypto, the DEX indices, energies, forex major, forex minor, jump indices, metals, mount step indices, range break, scud step indices, stock indices, and volatility indices. So today we want to focus on volatility indices, and I can click this volatility indices. Then you can go to the blue volatility indices, and you can see the volatility indices. I want to go for volatility 100 1S. I want to see this one, the volatility 100 1S. So we have this boom 150. I just added it so that I can show it to you. Let me remove that, the boom. If you want to remove one of the assets, you can simply click the pencil at the top right corner. I think those who are new, you are taking notes, just simply take notes, write. You can write. Let me go and help other guys who are stuck. There are a group of people who are failing to get in. So let me help them. Let me tell them the username to follow. Let me tell them the username. Okay, just search Iron Man Forex. There are so many people who want to join, but they are not yet in. So I want to help them to come in, yes, to this live session. 8 of us are here. Others are coming and dropping. I don't know what is really happening to them. Let me go to let me remove boom 151S 150 index. You simply click the pencil at the top right like this, and then you click the bin at the top right. Then you can select the index like this, and then you can click the bin. It is gone. Now this is volatility 100 1S. If I want to open a trade, sorry to those who are already established in online forex trading, because there is a mixture of new members and intermediate and pro traders. So if you want to open a trade, you can simply click the volatility 100 1S index 0. You simply click and you can see this new order chart analysis properties. What we need most is chart analysis. I can click chart analysis, then I can see the chart. So this is the chart for V100 1S. You can see the chart. You can see the chart. This is M30. Let me check H1. You can see H1. What broker? Okay. Let me respond to you as we are going. Let me paste the link for you, so that I cannot leave you behind. Everyone must be in the same line with Ironman Forex. Someone said it's which family? Let me help these guys. Let me help these guys. These synthetics are available to anyone, anytime. So let me help the guys who are asking some questions. Let me help them. The name of the broker, because we have some of the phishing links, so we need to give you the rightful link for you to be able to open your account with the rightful broker. So Aravinda, let me paste the answer for you, and I can send this one. I don't know if it can show. I think Aravinda, I responded to you. What about what broker? Keep on typing, ask your questions, tape likes, share the live so that others can also see this. So let me show you something. Let me try to remove my pencil, and I think it will help me. Yes. So I want to use the screenwriter. There is a certain setup that I want you to see. I think you are able to see this. Mostly I use the W shapes like this one. Some, they call them double bottoms. You can see this and this one. We can say it's a double bottom. So when we talk of a W shape, let me, Peter Kazi, welcome, thank you. We are doing live session, live analysis. So I am currently explaining the W shape or the double bottom. So we have the W for buy. We can buy at this level or at this level and take profit at this level. We have the M for sell. We can sell at this level or this level, and then we take profit at this level. So if you look at this one, you can simply see that there was a W shape there, and then it moves up like this. So this was a W shape. If you can see it, it's a W shape. So these are the shapes that we also use. But there is no need for you to keep on holding. This was the point of resistance. And if you check this area, there was a resistance there. So you can simply take your profit there because you don't need to take everything from the market. And currently where we are so far, let me go back to this is, some may use the, may try to use the M1, which is for scalping, and there's no clear direction. But because of this candlestick, which is green in color, the longest one, let me tap it again, screenwriter, we can see it moved to this level, and then it goes down, up, and it tried to go down. We have this green candlestick. This candlestick engulfed many candlesticks, two of them, meaning to say we are expecting it to move upwards because we have this long candlestick. Let me show you again. If you look at this green candlestick, let me point it. It engulfed this candlestick. So it is showing the upward direction. The downward direction was engulfed by this candlestick. So let us keep on having our analysis. You don't just jump into the market and place a trade. You need to analyze. Some may analyze up to 30 minutes, checking the movement of the candlesticks, so that you can have a perfect entry. Let me remove this one, and then I can go to the M30 again to see how it is going. And if you can look at this one, it's M30, and we have H1. There is no clear direction there. If you can check this one for 101S. So I can leave it, and then I can move on to look for another pair. Let me go for step index. Let me try the step index. The step index, let me type step. The step index. Let me see this one. The step index. Let me check the chart. Let me check the M30. I think this one, there's quite a clearer direction there, because if you look at this, If we look at this candlestick there, the board is at the top, which can signal the movement upwards. And this was the resistance zone, which was destroyed by the movement of the candlesticks. So if we can wait here, we can see that there is a possibility of keeping on going up. Let me confirm with other candlesticks. From other time frames. Let us go to H4. You can see the same. Let us go to M1. M1 is going down. Let me see it. Sometimes we can go for a line graph to check the movement. The line chart. You can also make use of the line chart. M1, M30, H4. This is much clearer. There was this W shape, which was there. So this is going to be our TP. Let me try to place a trade now. Let me change these ones to candlesticks again. Let us wait and see. You are still there. Comments, guys. I want to, yes, we're still there. Ashley Ngoreta, thank you so much. Let's see the chart. Hi, Ngoreta Ashley. I'm okay. Thank you. Let us wait for this step index. We want to see the movement. If the analysis was correct. There was another guy who was saying, Godwin was saying, I am not profitable. You can see some of the aspects that you need to take into account, into cognizance, is the issue of lot size. I just placed 0.1. If you tell someone to place a lot size of 0.1, he can put 0.1 by 10 open positions. So we simply multiply this, and this can give us a lot size of $1, which is quite bigger compared to the balance which is there, $43. So if you just simply place 0.1, even if it goes against your analysis, it can go up and you can make profit. that is also attainable. You can see now it is in loss, but the equity is still big. And another mistake which is mostly done by many traders, you don't need to panic because this is M1. Many traders, if they see the trade going down like this, now it is here, it is here. Someone can come and place another trade. If it keep on going down, the trader can keep on placing some trades, and you keep on opening multiple trades, which is not good. That is not good, opening multiple trades. So if you just leave this one and allow it to go back to profit and then close it at the point that you think it is the right time for you to close, the better. So do not keep on opening multiple trades. There is no need for me to panic because of $90. In my account, there's $40. So I can simply wait and watch the movements. That is what we do. Most of the traders, when they see these negatives, they think that everything is not good. Then they start to close these negative trades. You don't need to close the negative trade. Allow it to go, and it will come back. It will come back because this thing is not going anywhere. The direction of movement on this M30 is this one. This is the direction of movement. Wow. You can check at this point, and this is the direction of movement. It will go up. So in trading, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, keeping on going up. So this is it, guys. We are on the analysis of the charts and putting on some of the factors which lead to what you say unprofitable or intangible results by Godwin Lengwe. Some of the things that can lead you to intangible results is placing many trades. When it is going down, stop placing many trades. Just allow it to go down. And you can hold your trade either for 1 day or 2 days. Allow it to go to profit. You can simply place your take profit point at the point like this one, 8179.6, and it can automatically close when you are in the bed. 18 watching now started. Thank you so much. This is quite good. Let us see on the results is still minus $80, $70. I know it will go to profit, and I will hold this. The lot size is good. What makes you feel that I need to close this is because of the lot size. Please never place bigger lot sizes. You are very right, say, I like placing many positions. Yes, I know that is the reason why many traders lose their trades, because they like to place many trades on a very small account. If you can see this, if it was you and if it was your account, by now it was going to be history, because many traders, they have the tendency of opening multiple trades. I had another guy who was my student. He asked me, what is the lot size that I'm going to place on this $1,000 account? And I said, you are supposed to place 0.1 as your highest lot size. And you place the multiple 0.1. So when we say it's 0.1, meaning to say your total must be 0.1. That is it. No need to open many trades on a small account. That is the best lesson that you need to learn. Because with this rate, there is no way you can say, I can lose this one. No, I'm not going to lose this one. emphasize on how to determine the direction, please. Okay, the direction from Godwin Lengwe, I told you how to determine the direction. I told you about the W shapes. Those are the shapes that I always hunt. I hunt for the W shapes. Those are the shapes that I mostly hunt. But because for the sake of learning, I just put on these threads before I see the shapes that I like most. So let me show you the shapes that I am talking about. If there is something which is clear, yes. Here I have a clear picture of what I want you to see. These are the shapes that I like. The shape like this, going up, down, going up. If I see it going down, this is an M. I can simply know that, so I can place my trade here. Entry, this is your entry point. And your take profit is here. This is your TP. Don't worry about it moving down. Keep on moving down. I think you are listening well, Godfrey. So if you see a shape like this, going up, going down, going up again, if it is like this, you simply need to place your sell, and then you take your profit at this point. So this is how I analyze mostly. This is for sell. Let me quickly move on to somewhere I can see a buy with the same shape, because you don't need to trade the whole day. Let me check the buy. This one is not clear. It's not clear here. This one is not clear. This one. So you just need a strategy for yourself. Just need a strategy. There was a W there. And then this was also used as a leg. This one was used as a leg for this M which was trying to form here. And it ended here. It moved up again, but it then dropped. Thanks for the clarification. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for listening. It's 1949. Anyone with another question? Because we are going to keep on doing these sessions. And today is the first day we will be doing these sessions. There's another one who asked about the stop loss. Where is your stop loss? No, I'm not going to place any form of stop loss here, but my take profit will be at 81.79 here. 81.5 take profit, 81.79, and I can modify. Yes, this is my take profit. Which time frames do you use for the shapes? I start at M30, H4, and then I can go to M1 for the entry. M30, H4, and I can go to M1. Those are the time frames that I use. So I am not afraid of this. I know it will go up because this thing moves in this similar direction for quite a long. Let me show you how it moved. If you can see, it started from this area and it moved up till it reaches this area. So it will do the same. It will move up and go. So I will keep this because I've got a lot of equity. My equity is very big for this 0.1. But if it was $1, it was supposed to be history by now. So many traders are failing because of lot sizes. You want to make more from small. So if you have smaller capital, just use smaller lot sizes. I don't know if we still have other people with some questions. Tomorrow, same time, we will also do these sessions. And I think if it goes to profit, I will just do a smaller, a clip that I'm going to post and show you the results of this trade. If no stop loss, what do you do in instances of failed M's and W's? My stop loss is my lot size. My lot size is my stop loss. I know that this stop loss, this will never keep on going down. It can be supported by the free margin that I have. I have good free margin there. Let me show you the free margin that I have. Free margin of $39. I have a lot of free margin. So this can support this trade until it goes back into profit. Anyone with more questions before we close? I think those who are just entering trades in less than 5 minutes, they are gone. You can see that we entered this trade at 1738 and now it's 1753. We are almost 15 minutes into this trade, but we still have a loss of $3.30. But other people, they are failing to hold trades for 5 minutes. If you see yourself shivering after placing a trade, it means you entered a very big lot size. You must keep your cell phone closed and your MT5 closed. You don't need to be glued to the phone. If you see yourself glued to the phone, it means you are using bigger lot sizes. So my emphasis today is on reduction of rich quick mind, reduction of lot sizes that you are using, and holding the trades if they go against your analysis. That is my emphasis today. You can see this. There is nothing that you can say it's bad on this trade. It is moving, and this is step index. Many traders, they say step index is not good. I don't trade step index, but I'm there. I'm trading and you are seeing it live. This is live account. So do we still have others with some questions before we call it a day? If there is no one, then we can say good night, goodbye.